we are getting ready for our next food challenge. We are going to, before Ellie draws out of the hat.
He picked last time. We had a special guest last time, and it was Hazel, our cousin. I'm not gonna look.
So now it's gonna be Ellie's turn to pick, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna send the results to our cousin Hazel, who is far away at her house, many states away, and we are going to do the food challenge together over Zoom. That'll be a fun new thing. All right.
Chickens with a bunny.
All right, Ellie, are you ready? All right, pick something. Don't look. Don't pick one you can see. Oh, she's going to the bottom. Just one.
I don't want to.
She wants that one. What's it gonna be? G. Our next food challenge is brought to you by the letter G.
Wait.
To be continued.
I already know one.
Okay, we have come up with our list. We have
Pikachu's here.
We have
Belle.
Yeah, we're dressed up. We have our list. Aunt Stephanie and I made it together. So let's see what we got. Plants. We came up with a lot of green plants. We've got grapefruit, which is a citrus. We've had a couple citruses before, and you guys like them. All right. We have garbanzo beans, and we are gonna do. You'll see. We're gonna do garbanzo beans in a couple different ways. You know what? Garbanzo beans are also called chickpeas. It has two names. One of them starts with a G. Okay, then we have two vegetables, green beans and green peppers. They're not spicy kind of peppers. And then we have guava, which Aunt Stephanie and I did not all find the same kinds of guava. I guess Uncle John went shopping. So Hazel and Ellie and Lukey will have different guava things to try. All right, under the main dish, we have gnocchi. It starts with a G, but you don't even say it. Isn't that pretty funny? It's a kind of pasta. And then, this one. And then we have grilled cheese. Now listen, I wasn't gonna choose grilled cheese because we have had grilled cheese and we already know we like grilled cheese, don't we? But Aunt Stephanie had a great idea of trying it with a new cheese, and the cheese starts with G, and it's Gouda. I love Gouda cheese. It's one of my favorites. Okay, now for the dips and sauces, we have hummus. Hummus starts with an H. Why did we put it on there? Because you know what hummus is made out of? Garbanzo beans. All right, on to our sweets and our snacks. We have gelato, which is a type of
princess right here.
Yep. We have
and I'm a Pokemon right here.
We have gelato, which is a type of ice cream.
Ice cream!
Too loud, bud. All right, we have granola bars, which is a snack. Kind of like the Nutri-Grain bars that we had on the end challenge. It's kind of like that. Then we have garlic flavored crackers to use with our hummus and maybe just try.
Hummus?
This one. It's a dip. Then we have ginger snaps behind Lukey's head, which is Grandpa's favorite kind of cookie. And then under the other, we have some granola, which is kind of sort of like a breakfast cereal. We have Greek yogurt, which is a new kind of yogurt. I got two different flavors. And then we have some ginger, which we don't have, but I think Hazel has some to try, so I put it on the list. Our first Zoom food challenge.
And
we've got all of our food.
And now we're eating on the ice cream.
Okay. I guess Ellie's picking first, huh?
Yeah, it's a green in the house.
This is guava ice cream. It is the only guava related thing that I could find. So this guava is a type of fruit, kiddos.
So we have fresh guava.
Ooh, they got my store did not.
Sort of. I got sort of.
And then we also have a guava jam.
Guava jam. They got guava jam.
Guava
jelly.
I got sort of.
Whichever you want. They're eating guava.
Wait.
All right, Hazel, which one are you going to try?
You don't. We have gelato. We don't have guava ice cream.
What guava thing are you gonna try?
You. Face.
What is it? Guava jam?
I know you didn't.
Guava jam.
Cool. Hazel just tried guava jam and she likes it.
What do you think?
You should try some of the guava itself. If you like the guava jam.
No, I don't even know if I've ever eaten fresh guava before. I may have and just didn't realize that that's what I was eating.
Like this.
That's good.
What was that, Hazel? The fresh guava?
Yeah.
Little tart and tangy? What's it taste like?
I think it's
Kind of tart? Yeah. But you like jam.
The taste is okay. So I know how to do that.
Not too bad to start off. What are we gonna go with next? Hazel, are you picking next?
No, me. I'm not picking that. I would like milk cheese. I took milk cheese. What?
Grilled cheese.
So we Gouda grilled cheese. Lots of cheese going on.
Some plain Gouda.
Different cheese. So that's why.
We also have some cheese by itself so you guys can see what it tastes like.
Do you want to touch the cheese bone?
What?
I'm not good at Hazel.
How about we try a little bit of the cheese instead?
It doesn't smell.
Ellie,
Really?
this is the Gouda. Gouda grilled cheese.
It's the Gouda party. A Gouda.
Oh, we got a thumbs up.
Gouda party.
What do you think of the Gouda, Hazel?
No.
That was a no-go.
Where? Right here.
Did you try the grilled cheese, Hazel, or did you try just Gouda by itself?
Wait here.
We didn't try any of it. That was you want the gelato?
Yeah.
Did you guys find gelato?
We did.
All right, Hazel. Gelato time.
Cookie.
All right. It's gelato time. Gelato is a type of ice cream. What flavor gelato did you guys get?
Double cookie crunch or something?
Ooh, we got chocolate peanut butter.
Ooh.
That right?
Well, we have chocolate butter ice or peanut butter ice cream. This is gelato, which is an Italian ice cream. You like it? Vicky hasn't gotten there yet. He's still eating his grilled cheese.
Good call to get it out of the way.
We are eating the grilled cheese because we like it.
Gouda is one of my favorite cheeses.
I love Gouda.
What do you think? Oh, he's going for the blue marker.
Gouda.
What was that?
They marked the wrong spot. we are adjusting our notations.
Who did he write it on? Right. Mommy, I'm thinking that on the cookie, the kielbasa, and the grilled cheese.
You do love grilled cheese. As long as it's lightly grilled with no sauce.
I see.
I don't like
Well, just like with the kielbasa, the smell alone was enough for her to say, nope, and try it.
nice crust.
The gelato's a hit though.
I see that. Ellie is also enjoying her gelato. And then I think we're back to Ellie's pick. We've got all sorts of things. So we've got granola. Hazel picked the gelato.
Oh.
You guys were too busy talking. You didn't even hear it.
Oh.
thinking of Hazel though, making sure she got her pick in.
Okay, let's see. We've got gnocchi, we've got garbanzo beans, we've got
Some snacks.
the other one. We've got some ginger snaps, granola bars, green beans, grapefruit.
Green pepper.
What are you gonna go for, Ellie?
Green pepper. Green pepper.
Yeah, green pepper. Which one? She's going for the ginger snap. Crunchy. I can hear this. Oh, Hazel's going for bite 2
Wait.
with a confused look on her face.
Where's it here? Where is it, Mommy?
You like the ginger snap? Oh, okay. Do you like
It's too crunchy.
I didn't have it on my list.
Grandpa loved ginger snaps. What do you think, Ellie? You've eaten a lot of bites. Do you like it?
I make them also, but I think that she probably likes the one I make quite a bit. But these are not as good as mine.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I don't love ginger snaps, but I also don't like snappy cookies. I like soft, chewy cookies. So.
Mine are not quite this crunchy, so.
These ones are much better. These ones were way too strong. This didn't way too.
Okay. So in other words, we got to stick to mom's cookies. Okay.
Good to know. Hazel, was it the taste or the texture that you didn't like as much as your mom's? Remember, the texture is how it feels in your mouth, and the taste is the
Well,
food.
I didn't like the texture and I didn't like the taste. So the taste was the ginger was too strong and the texture was too crunchy.
Okay. Yeah, they get really gingery sometimes.
Like gingerbread.
Yeah, like gingerbread. Green pepper? We have raw green peppers over here. What did you guys do? Also raw?
Yeah. We have raw green peppers, but we also have the hummus made from garbanzo beans to dip it in if wanted.
So you can use the green peppers to dip.
Trying the green pepper.
I'm gonna try it by itself, or do you want to try 2 things at once?
And then
Pick it up. Go on. Pick it up. It's not going to taste like anything in the outside.
You have water right there.
Inside, that has a taste. It's the inside that has the taste.
Now remember, sometimes we like things better in different combinations. So you know what you can try? Using your green pepper to dip in the hummus.
Look, Big Brother's gonna try it.
why did it go?
Nope.
I
No.
because I did not go.
Eating the hummus? You don't fit.
I don't like it, but Michael
Okay.
does. Where is it? Make a menu. Oh, make Michael.
I don't like it either.
Did Hazel also try the hummus?
A little bit.
Ish.
I don't think she actually got the hummus.
You got a little lick in? Kiddos, we got to catch up to Hazel. She got a little lick of the hummus. Do you want to try licking it off of a pretzel or off of a garlic cracker?
I was on pretzel. No.
Have you tried this?
Oh, did they put that?
Well, she dipped her green None of them like the green peppers. I don't love it raw either. I like it in things.
So, whose turn is it now?
It's Hazel's turn.
Why can't we do this?
Oh, they're catching up with you with the hummus. Remember, if it's scary, you can just do a little lick.
Which do you?
The hummus. You want to try a lick of the hummus? Oh, you sort of like it?
A lot of pink foods today.
What are you going for, Hazel?
He's saying grapefruit.
Red.
Oh, Hazel chose the grapefruit.
Where, Ellie? Where?
I like a Sour Patch Kid. It's a little sour.
Away.
Yeah, Hazel's choosing grapefruit.
Any oranges?
I'll eat that.
Why not? It's a citrus. It's a fruit. Here we go.
I don't want any with beans.
Nope.
I got one.
Here you go, Lucy. Hazel, what'd you think of the grapefruit? Hazel's doing a sort of, or was that just a thumbs up that a sort of? It's a tangy citrus, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's somewhere in between an orange and a lemon.
It's way too sour.
Sweet.
A little.
Try it again.
I like them.
Yeah, it's so much different.
Do you like it? Oh, Ellie got a thumbs up. Lukey got a
Very wonderful.
four half. Right? That's Ellie.
We're gonna put a little sugar on it and try it again.
Yeah, some people sprinkle a little sugar on there. See?
Bye.
And that's light in order to get it.
Do you want me to try sprinkling a little sugar on it, Lukey? Some people put sugar.
That. Ellie, can I have that?
Kind of like lemonade.
Can I have a Pepsi?
You know, lemons aren't really sour, but if you have sugar, can you get lemonade?
It's still a little too sour.
Okay. Thank you for trying again.
You're not a mess here.
Have to get.
All right, Hazel picks grapefruit, which means to Ellie again, granola bar. Did you guys get a granola bar?
Hold on.
We have some granola. Daddy likes to mix granola and Greek yogurt together.
So what are we trying?
I think we're trying granola next.
Do all of our versions of granola?
Wait. I think I ate that before. Wait.
Give Ellie, please.
Get one of the darker bits. Those
Yeah.
tend to be sweeter. Don't put it back in.
Give me a thumbs up, but he looks concerned.
Those are sweeter.
All right, we also have some plain granola.
You crunch on it. It's better when you crunch on it. You go. All right.
Granola with milk, like cereal.
It's got a very good mouthfeel. Munchy, munchy, crunchy.
It's just a little bit.
You want to put a little milk in it, or do you want to have it in some yogurt?
You generally put it in something wetter, so it mixes with the dry.
No?
What do you think? Oh, you mostly like it. Is it flavored granola or is it regular granola?
Almost this and almost that. In between. I'm gonna go pick.
So why don't you guys try Hazel tried granola like cereal? How do you guys try it like cereal?
Like in the K one.
Yep, just like that Flashy cereal. We have it with milk and we have it without milk. We got a little strawberry flavored granola.
What are we trying?
Oh, it's exciting.
We're still working on our granola.
I'm eating it. Well, am I standing or sitting?
We can try it with sit down.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Try it with some milk. Try it with some milk. I got sticky somehow along the way.
You can't hear them when you do that.
You doing?
She was making all sorts of noise with her chair.
You gonna try the granola with milk? Did you try it with milk, Hazel?
She did not want to try it with milk.
Oh, I can't remember if Hazel liked the kashi because it's kind of similar, isn't it?
Yeah.
She liked some of the kashi pieces, but not all of them.
Okay.
Mm,
You like it with milk too? Here it is.
Hazel.
She's at her house.
No. It's not house.
Yeah, she's at the table.
I'm the best thing. Like, she's on her chair, her head on her chair. This makeup, but not hate. Yeah. We got a lot. Mother.
Just brush the make on it for it to be sweet.
She likes the ginger snap.
No?
All right. Whose turn are we on? I've lost track. Oh, I'm glad the kids are paying attention. Okay. Lukey, what's next? Greek yogurt. What flavor did you guys get?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. We have we have a little strawberry and a little vanilla.
Wait, there should be two please person.
This is the strawberry and this is the vanilla.
Yeah, almost. Wait. Oh. Almost, maybe, almost no.
Maybe almost no, just a little bit. Just a little bit. It is a little tangier than the yogurt you guys are used to.
I think the sweetness of the granola.
Strawberry one.
Babies can come out.
Essentially, yes.
Two, right?
Ellie, do you want to try the strawberry one? Oh, Ellie, you did a smiley. You didn't like it? Oh, Lukey.
What's the first one?
Lukey liked them both. Ellie didn't like the vanilla one. Here, you want to try the strawberry one? It's right here.
The medium.
Oh, she's trying it with her fingers.
That was Hazel's route. She dipped a finger in.
Much prefer the thicker.
What do you think?
What?
Ellie didn't like either of the flavors.
Did I know that?
Neither did Hazel.
Morning after.
All right, put your down.
Please, like, yeah,
Regular chickpeas
beans.
or garbanzo beans, roasted garbanzo beans, and gnocchi.
Nope.
Gnocchi?
All right. Hazel's picking the gnocchi, which is a kind of pasta.
Oh, it's gonna be chewy like pasta, so you're gonna have to take an actual bite out of it to get it.
It's kind of pasta.
Oh
my.
Chewy. So a lot of gnocchi is that it's a little chewy like pasta.
Wait,
You're not afraid?
a little bit. Like,
You're a little bit afraid? I have some shaky cheese here if you want shaky cheese on it.
how is it?
You like it?
How is it?
Okay, you haven't given it a good shot.
Usually they're warm.
Sometimes you put a sauce on them.
Why is it too scary then?
Just take a little bite.
No.
That's the point. It's like pasta.
I think.
Maybe a little bit of salt. You know?
It's pasta. Remember? Okay. Remember how we talk about sometimes things don't taste right by themselves?
Anyone.
You don't want to.
Was it the middle?
Yeah, we can only take
Just take a little bite.
Salt on a movie?
Oh, you didn't get a good taste of the gnocchi. Hazel, what do you think?
We're still deciding.
Hazel's trying little itty. Yeah, it's not one. Hazel's trying itty bitty little bit. But she keeps going for more itty bitty little bit.
Okay.
Did you know that this is a pasta that has potatoes in it?
Oh, we got a maybe yes on this.
Okay.
With salt, we got a maybe yes.
Oh, a salt with maybe yes. Yes, I put some salt on it and some shaky cheese. Lukey only licked it. He never got a full bite in.
No.
Ellie tried a full one and she liked it.
Yeah.
Ellie, we have green beans left and garbanzo beans. So what do you think? Garbanzo beans or green beans? Hazel already likes green beans.
Neither.
You gotta pick one. You want to try the cracker? Hazel doesn't have those crackers. I got garlic crackers for the hummus, but
Oh.
Nice. Pretzel and Hazel have D in it. Mommy.
she's gonna spit it out of the trash can. Okay, so Ellie doesn't like the garlic crackers. Roasted and regular garbanzo beans and green beans. What are you going for, Luke? Huh?
I don't want that one, so I want that one.
He's picking the regular garbanzo beans.
I don't want the other one.
This is my favorite way to eat garbanzo beans. They're
Basically, like the inside of what you eat.
a little crunchy.
Just that.
Like a bigger piece. See the inside?
Luke, you didn't get
Really crunchy.
Okay, it's way better. Look, here, listen to Mommy eat one because they're so yummy. Ready? It's crunchy like a chip.
I don't.
Hmm?
I don't want to.
These are salty and yummy.
I could eat a whole can of roasted garbanzo beans. They're so good. Here, Ellie, do you want to try a crunchy kind or a soft kind?
Crunchy, don't taste it. My mom was trying.
You like the crunchy ones?
But we did go back for a second taste.
Okay. It's pretty
She
good.
didn't like it. She didn't like it, but she did try like a couple bites before she decided she didn't like it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Did she try
A little less crunchy. Some not as crunchy.
Okay.
Come on. We're almost done. We were out very late last night, and oh my goodness. What do you have, Hazel?
It's a Ritz cracker.
Correct.
Here's our.
All right, I think we're devolving into madness over here, so.
And I'm going to have
We didn't quite get everything done,
Yeah,
but we have a lot of smile faces, right, kiddos?
so it's a rainbow now.
Oh. Lots of smiley faces.
The jelly.
The guava jelly was your favorite, Hazel?
I need to make sandwich.
Ellie, what was your favorite? What was your favorite? The ice cream, she says, the gelato.
Yeah, the gelato was a smile. I knew that was going to be a happy face.
Pretty safe with any kind of ice cream.
Wait. Oh.
All right, well, we didn't quite get through everything on our end here, but we're dealing with slightly sleep-deprived kiddos, so, you know.
Bye, Hazel.
Well, I will.
Bye. You're gonna say me something. No?